Hi, Professor. This is Raymond Alman, current student at GCU and enrolled in ITT Tech 310. This is the last part of the assignments for Step Up Part 3. Through these assignments, we were supposed to submit the alpha version and then the beta version. And what we have here in front of our screen is the alpha version. Upon the submission that was done last week, your feedback was that the program didn't have a continuation behavior, meaning that the program continues to accept operators until all conditions are met, i.e., if you want to continue to do addition or subtraction, multiplication, and division. The continuation behavior allows that to continue without stopping, and that was the main issue that I was encountering with the alpha version. So here we have our alpha version, and we will go ahead and start debugging it. Okay, so now that the program has debugged, it should prompt us now to enter a number. Okay, there you go. So we have the prompt to enter a first number. So we will proceed with entering the number 7. And now we are prompted again with a second option, meaning put in a second number. We'll proceed with entering 7. And now we can choose any operators. In this case, we will go with addition. So now we add that. So addition of the two numbers is 14, which is what we have here. And again, this was the main issue last week, that I didn't have the continuation behavior that will allow me to continue to annotate what I want to do, whether I want to do subtraction, division, or multiplication, right? So now we'll close this window. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to go and open up our beta version of the project. So we'll go to Project Solutions, and we will go to the complex count, which is the version, the beta version. And now we're going to go ahead and open that file and load it up in our Visual Studio platform. Okay, so now it's preparing the solution. And now we have the beta version of the assignment. Project has been loaded and it's ready to use. And again, I was able to find out how to add the continuation behavior by doing a do while loop that will support that function. If I didn't implement the do while loop accordingly and correctly, then I wouldn't have that option to have the continuation behavior. So now we'll go ahead and test that out. We're going to go to start debug. Program is debugging, and it should prompt us now with the number entry once it's finalized. Okay, so now the first prompt is to enter the first number, and it could be any number. So in this case, again, we will stick with the number 7. Hit enter. Now we are prompted with entering a second number, and again, we will choose 7. Hit enter, and now we have our operator list. So we will enter 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, 4 for division, and 0 for exit, meaning that all conditions have been met and we no longer need that, right? So to test this program out, we'll enter the first option, which would be addition. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. And now we will continue that behavior by entering the number 2 for subtraction. And now we have 7 minus 7 is 0. And the other option we're going to use is entering number 3 for multiplication. So now we have 7 times 7 is 49. And lastly, we will annotate our division, which is option 4. Hit that. So now we have 7 divided by 7 is 1. And now that we display the continuation behaviors, all conditions are true and all conditions have been met. Now we can pretty much exit from the program. We're going to enter 0 and enter it. And now the program has concluded because, again, all conditions have been met. And I will go back to our regular Visual Studio. So in this video, we demonstrated the alpha and the beta versions of the assignments while demonstrating C programming competence in a single video. Thank you for your support throughout the class and this course. And again, looking forward for any feedback. Thanks again.